Hi, everyone. How are you? In this video I will tell you about myself. You will learn a lot of things from me. My name is Fig. My scientific name is Ficus carica. I belong to the Meraceae family. Despite being called a fruit, I am technically a syconium, a tiny group of inverted flowers, growing inside a pod. Each pod contains hundreds of flowers, and each flower produces a small seed, which is the actual fruit of the fig plant. Common fig is a medium to large shrub or small tree reaching 10 to 20 feet high. In the first Quranic verses in Surah Al-Tin, the medicinal advantages of the fig are discussed. The Quran says, "I swear by the fig in the olive 95. Fig plant is one of the fruits mentioned in the Quran, along with olives, grapes, pomegranate, banana, and dates. There are over 700 named varieties of fig trees, but many of them are of no use to home gardeners. All of the varieties fall into four fig types. Common fig Ficus carica. This includes popular varieties like black mission, brown turkey, and Cadota figs. They have a sweet flavor and are commonly found in grocery stores. Smyrna fig. Smyrna figs require pollination by a specialized wasp, making them less common and more challenging to cultivate. Calamirna is a well-known variety of Smyrna fig. Common figs and Smyrna figs, after pollination, are edible. San Pedro fig. This type of fig is often used for making dried figs. The Calamirna fig can also fall into this category. San Pedro figs are typically dried, not commonly eaten fresh. Capra figs. These figs are mainly grown for the production of caprification, a process used to pollinate other fig varieties. Capra figs are not eaten directly, they are used for pollination. Black mission figs are one of the most common fig varieties in the world. It is believed to have originated in Spain. I'm a nutritious fruit, and I'm proud of what I offer. I provide essential vitamins and minerals like potassium, magnesium, calcium, and vitamin K. I have more fiber than prunes and more potassium than bananas. I contain polyphenols that help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. My high fiber content can contribute to heart health by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. My relatively low glycemic index makes me suitable for people with diabetes when consumed in moderation. My fiber helps you feel full, potentially aiding in weight management. I'm a source of calcium and vitamin K, crucial for strong bones. I contain enzymes that support your digestive system. I aid in digestion and prevent constipation. I am an excellent source of prebiotics, which improve overall good health. I've been relied upon to treat a range of ailments, especially digestive disorders. Remember, enjoy me in moderation to savor my benefits. It is recommended to limit portion size to about 2 to 3 figs per day. In Roman times, figs were considered to be restorative. They were believed to increase the strength of young people, to maintain the elderly in better health, and to make them look younger with fewer wrinkles. Eating 1/2 cup of figs has as much calcium as drinking 1/2 cup of milk. My tree is considered the oldest cultivated fruit tree, with a history spanning thousands of years, mentioned in ancient texts. Most of the global production of figs is harvested in Turkey, followed by Egypt, Algeria, Iran, and Morocco. Dried figs are a popular snack worldwide. There are 3 common ways to make dried figs: sun drying, oven drying, and drying in a dehydrator. I'm the versatile fig. I can be found in both sweet and savory dishes, making appearances in salads, jams, pastries, and, yes, even as a surprising topping for pizza. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, comment, and share it.